All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to align this text to the center of the page. So, first of all, to get the paragraph correct, we're going to want to go to Type and Paragraph. So, Window, Type, Paragraph. Pop this guy open. We're going to want to use the center. So you can see the align left, right, center. So this is applying only to the text though. So if we pull down Window and we go to Align, we're going to get the actual align for objects. And if you see this, it says Align to Artboard. This is aligned to Selection, and this is to Key Object. So we're going to go Artboard for this one. And then now you can hit center, and you can either do it vertically, and it's going to go to the artboard, even over to the left or right, whatever you need to do. And of course, you could then change the, if you want it on the left and then the left, now you've got it like that. If you go to the right and then right alignment, hit it again, you can put it over there. So that's that. However, I do want to run these by real quick. So if say you had two objects, I'm going to just draw a square there. And let's just say we want to get these guys aligned. So you hit align, and then if you just hit selection, then it's going to stick them both in the average, middle of both of them. And one more sweet one is if you want to, say, bring this square over to just this guy, you can simply click it without holding, you select both and click one of them, and it's going to go to this key object, sorry, and then hit, and then you go over there. And then you can hit it back to artboard and then go put them both in the center. So that's how that works. Hopefully that helps. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.